Hi there everybody. So I finished this about 7 o'clock last night, same as the previous video, and we now have transferred all the energy from these two to these two. They're in pairs, and as such we have 1334. It's being charged from, they're actually in the process of charging from our one panel, and we also have now, these are in a pair and these are full. Previously we were on the monitor, we were on 3034 watt hours. We're now on 4789 watt hours, which is about 370 amp hours, and I'd really like to know what it is. That I'm doing that I think is unique, or if it's unique, and is the rest of the world doing this. So please leave a comment, and any questions that you might have. I've done a mix of charging stroke discharging, so I've used the inverter, and I've used a thermal lamp which is about 380 watts. I've used a couple of bulbs. They're 1 amp to 1.5 amps a piece. I've done a air pump, 12 volt air pump compressor. So I'm really wondering what it is that you think is happening and whether it's commonplace. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, anything you want. Really appreciate your time. Thanks. Goodbye.